a group 5, and we are doing the IMDB a complete movie hub as an enterprise application. So to continue with the previous MS1 demo, so we have included a persistent layer in our project. So I will walk you through that. So initially we came up with the database design, and we are using raw SQL to generate this diagram, and due to some restrictions we have created two different tables because of the table limit. So we have two diagrams. So this is the first diagram resembles all the tables that are necessary for displaying the movies, giving the ratings and reviews based on the user information. So we have a movies table, and we have movie ID and all the related information, and this movie is linked to the genres, and this is just the movie genres is nothing but a join table. And we have similarly a cast, and we have movie cast, which is a link to the movies as well as cast. And we have categories that resembles the current category of the movie, like top trending upcoming movies. And we have a reviews that is linked to the movies, as well as ratings table that holds the rating based on the movie. And here we have also the users that resemble that use the user information. And coming to the second diagram, we have movies and users at same tables, but here we have a theaters that shows the available theaters on the specific movie. And when you click on a specific theater, it links to the auditoriums that shows the available screens and the show times. And finally we have a tickets table that the user can able to print the tickets and download with all the information linked to that. So coming to the discussions, like how this design meets the requirement, as we have came up with around 21 tables. So as a group of 5, we have each team member can work on 4 tables at least, and 2 SQL tables and at least 1 no SQL table. And so as for the MS2, each one have built 2 SQL tables with their respective classes and code in the code. And due to the changes of the design, we also corrected our high level analysis UML diagram and came up with the new updated UML diagram. So we have a separate different sections or classes for rating, reviews, category, genres, and we have a theater class, auditorium, tickets, and the cast. And we have a user class that holds all the user information on it. And we so we have updated all the contributions. And coming to the retrospective of MS2, so initially we met in Zoom and discussed the database design, and then everyone followed the design and the coding standards. And each team member worked on a future branch and created a pull request so that there are no code conflicts and everything went as planned. So coming to the what did not. So initially we thought of setting our PostgreSQL for both development and production environments in the hierarchy itself. Once we configured, we figured it out that in the free edition, the credentials of the database changes constantly. So we thought of changing the decision, and we are currently using H2 as an in-memory database for our development environment, and AWS PostgreSQL as our production environment for more efficiency. And coming to the screenshots, like we have a build success and application is running without no issues. And this is our screenshot of all the tables that each team member have worked and created in the H2 environment. And also as we already implemented this CI/CD pipeline, and automatic deployment in the Heroku. So this is the where currently the application is deployed, and it is running on that, and this is our GitHub link. And thank you so much, and this is for our MS2. Thank you.